In this era that we are, real estate is no longer only for billionaires. The smartest people are positioning themselves and learning from the industry where they become full property owner. You can actually start making huge money from real estate without buying a block. We are in the new area right now in 2026. These are the 3 ways in which you can invest in real estate and make money without owning a property. 1. Real estate partnership. You as an investor, as a smart buyer, you can come in and partner with me, and this is mostly for people with enough capital, like you have money but you don't want to go to the straight of buying or owning land. Or after the completion of this property, after the completion of this construction, a certain amount will be given to me every year after you started making your own money. 2. Real estate investment trust. This works just like stocks, whereby you can buy, sell and hold. 3. Property financing and private lender. This is done by giving money to developers as funding. A lot of people think you must buy a land or own a building before making money in real estate. But this is the secret. You can actually start making huge money from real estate without buying a block, not talk of a building. Welcome to today's episode of Invest in Real Estate. In our last episode, we discussed on how to make money from real estate through owning property. In this video, I'll be unleashing different ways you can start making money through real estate without owning property, because we are in the new area right now in 2026. Things have moved. Real estate is bigger than just buying and building. It's not about understanding and positioning yourself properly. These are the 3 ways in which you can invest in real estate and make money without owning a property. 1. Real estate partnership. I call this joint venture. In this case, let's say for instance, I own a building, I own a property, and at the long run, this property has gone to like 60 to 70%, and I couldn't proceed, I couldn't complete anymore. You as an investor, as a smart buyer, you can come in and partner with me. And this is mostly for people with enough capital, like you have money but you don't want to go to the straight of buying or owning land, or because you want to get into scam and all that. You can do this by partnering with me, then you give me some amount of money, then you put it into agreement that after the completion of this property, after the completion of this construction, a certain amount will be given to me every year after you started making your own money. Case 2. For a low budget investor, you want to come into real estate but you don't have enough capital, you can come into what I call shared apartments. In this case, there is someone who owns a property that he do rent out every year and get annual income. You can come with this person and partner with him. You can come like, okay, I will furnish your apartments with this, and with this standard, this apartment will price to be increased. And every year, while this person is making this money, you will get a certain percentage from it. And with this, without standing up, without buying a land, without owning a block, you started making money passively through real estate. 2. Real estate investment trust. This is just exactly like buying shares in real estate. You can invest through stock markets. With this, you don't just own a building directly. You are earning money passively through rental income and property appreciation. And this works just like stocks, whereby you can buy, sell and hold. Let's say for instance, a house or an hotel want to be sold out. Instead of one person to buy this alone with millions or billions of naira, a real estate company gather thousands of people that can buy this property. And after buying, this property started making money for them. They started generating some income, and even the property started appreciating naturally. After this appreciation, you get your own return annually or monthly, depending on your agreements with them. This is also taken out of real estate. 3. Property financing and private lender. This is done by giving money to developers as funding. This money is used for construction, and you are being paid back later with interest. That's if you like. Some people collect interest and some people don't collect interest. It depends on you. And this works with fixed
return on interest, and agreed percentage. With this, you've also was taking part of real estate, and I'm sure this person that's going to do this will also have money because this deals with a lot of capital. See, in this area that we are, real estate is no longer only for billionaires. It's not these people are positioning themselves and learning from the industry before they become full property owner. So the last time to make wealth was 20 years ago, and the second best time is now. And real estate is giving you the leverage. With this video, you have no excuse for not investing through real estate. And if you see your mates making money through real estate, don't get jealous because they have followed the blueprint. And for once, mostly called Mr. Soft Life from LuxEntry Homes. See you in my next video of Invest in Real Estate. Cheers.